What's the meaning of chimp? Chimp. Chimp.
Chimp. Chimp. Chimp refers to a type of primate that is closely related to humans. They are also known as chimpanzees and are native to Africa. Chimpanzees are highly intelligent and social animals with complex communication systems. They are capable of using tools, solving problems, and even exhibiting certain personality traits. However, due to habitat loss, hunting, and other threats, chimpanzees are an endangered species. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these fascinating creatures and their habitats before it's too late.